Good morning children, this is Sharda from Little Heart Publications and this is continuation of the previous chapter of fractions. Already we have dealt with standard form, here write in simplest form. Both are same, simplest form is also both the numerator and denominator should not have other than 1 as any other number other than 1 as common factor. So 32 by 60, let us reduce into simplest form. 32 divided by 32 by 60. So 32 divided by 4, 60 divided by 4. Cancel by 4. 4 8s are 32, 4 15s are 60. 8 by 15, it cannot be reduced into simplest form because they have 1 as common factor. They cannot get cancelled by other than any other number other than 1. 99 by 4. There is no common factor other than 1. So, this is the standard form or simplest form for this fraction. 125 by 400 divided by 5 divided by 5. 5 25s are 125. 5 8s are 40 followed by 0. Again 5 5s are 5 1s are 5, balance 3 30. 16 5s are 80 we know. So 5 by 16 is the standard form of 125 by 400. Now let us go with subtraction of fractions. Already we learned addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions. 17 by 19, 13 by 19. These are like fractions as the denominators are same. For like fractions, just you need to subtract the numerators and write the common denominator as 19. So 17 minus 13 by 19, 6 by 19. 17 minus 13 is 4, sorry. 4 by 19. So it is the just subtraction of numerators. Now subtraction of unlike fractions. Take the fractions 15 by 9 and 7 by 6. 15 by 9 minus 7 by 6. So just as addition, if the denominators are different, you need to find the LCM of the denominators to make their denominators equal or same. So take the LCM of 9 and 6. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are, bring down 2. Now 2, bring down 1, 2 1s are 2. So LCM of 9 and 6 is 3 into 3 into 2, 18. So for finding out the LCM, never use other numbers except prime numbers. So now 15 by 9 and we should make the denominator as 18. So take the denominator 18 here. And 9, how does 9 become 18? Raise it 2 times. 9 2s are 18. In the same way, raise the numerator also. 15 2s are 13. 7 by 6, denominator should be LCM we know. So 6 has become 18. How does it? Raise it 3 times. So in the same way, raise the numerator also. 7 3s are 21. Now here, instead of 15 by 9, write 30 by 18 minus 21 by 18. That is equal to 30 minus 21 by 18. 9 by 18. 9 1s are, 9 2s are. 1 by 2 is the answer. So 1 by 2 is the final answer. Yes, let us go with another problem. 7 by 16 minus 5 by 12. These are unlike fractions. 16 and 12, they have different denominators. So let us take the LCM of 16 and 12 now. 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 3 bring down as it is, 2 1s are 3. So LCM of 16 and 12 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So now take the first fraction 7 by 16 and let us make the denominator 48. So 16, how many times it is raised? 3 times. 7, 16 3s are 48, 7 3s are 21. And 5 by 12, it is raised 4 times. 12 4s are 48, 5 4s are 20. So that is the reason we find out LCM, so that we can make the denominators same. And now 7 by 16 is equal to 21 by 48 minus 5 by 12 is equal to 20 by 48. Now 21 minus 20 by 48. If the denominators are same, take the denominator once and LCM of 48 and 48 will automatically be 48. So 21 minus 20 is equal to 1 by 48 is the answer. In this way, the same process for the addition and subtraction. Now let us go with multiplication of fraction by a whole number. So take a fraction 2 by 5 and multiply with whole number 3. Example. So 2 by 5 into 3. Then what you should do? Multiply the numerator with the whole number and the denominator will be same. 3 into 2 by 5. 6 by 5. Now multiply 5 by 9 by 12. 5 by 9 is a fraction and 12 is a whole number. So 5 by 9 into 12. So 5 into 12 is 60 and by 9. 60 by 9. So you can reduce it to standard form. So divide by 3. 3 20s are 60, 3 3s are 9. 20 by 3 is the standard form and we can change it into mixed fraction like this. 3 6 are 18 and 20 minus 18 is 2 and QR by D is 6 2 by 3 is the mixed fraction form for 20 by 3. This is one method, and here another method is directly cancel the numerator either with the numerator, cancel the denominator with the numerator or the whole number. Here it cannot be cancelled, so go with the whole number here. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, they get cancelled. Now multiply 5 4s are 20, 20 by 3 and again change it into mixed fraction. 6 2 by 3. Any method you can follow, but the answer will be the same. Come on. Yeah, find the product of 5 by 12 and 18 or multiply 5 by 12 by 18. 5 by 12 into 18. So these two can be cancelled by 6. 6 3s are 18, 6 2s are 12. So the final answer will be 5 into 3 by 2, that is 15 by 2. And you can change it into mixed fraction also. 2 7s are 14, 1. As it is an improper fraction, numerator is greater than denominator, you can change it into mixed fraction. So 1 7 by 7 1 by 2. 15 by 2 is 7 1 by 2. The mixed fraction for that. 24 by, next problem is multiply 24 by 30 by 6. 24 by 30 into 6. It can be done 6 1s are, 6 5s are. 24 by 5 is that. 24 into 1 by 5, 24 by 5. Or this is 6 4s are, 6 5s are. 4 into 6 by 5, that is equal to 24 by 5. Anyway you can cancel. You can cancel these two or you can cancel these two. The final answer will be 24 by 5. Change it into mixed fraction now. 24 by 5 can be changed into mixed fraction. Divide the numerator by 24 by 5 can be changed into mixed fraction because it is an improper fraction. Divide 24 by 5. 5 4s are 20. 24 minus 20 is 4. So QR by D. 4 4 by 5 is the final answer for this. Now find the product of 5 4 by 9 and 6. Multiply 5 4 by 9 by 6. First thing you need to do is convert this into improper fraction. 9 into 5 plus 4 by 9. Multiply these two, add the numerator and denominator as it is. So 9 5s are 45 plus 4. 49 by 9. Now 49 by 9 into 6. So take 6 and 9, cancel by 3. 3 2s are, 3 3s are. These two cannot be further cancelled. So 49 into 2 by 3, 98 by 3 is the final answer. As it is an improper fraction, change it into mixed. Divide 98 by 3. 3 3s are 9, bring down 8, 3 2s are 6 and remainder is 2. So 32 2 by 3 is the final answer. Let us go with the word problem now. Raju spends 5/8 hour every morning for doing yoga. He spends on yoga 5/8 hour every day in the morning. And how many hours does he spend on yoga in 1 week? So, what is given? How much time he spends on yoga every day? Time spent on yoga every morning, that is 5/8 hour. And what you need to find out? Time spent on yoga in 1 week. Time spent on yoga in 1 week, that is equal to 5/8 into 7, because 1 week is equal to 7 days. So for 1 day he spends 5/8 hour. For 7 days, how much time doth he spend? 1 too many is multiplication. 1 day time spent is given. We have to find the time spent on 1 week. So 5/8 into 7, that is 7 into 5/8, 35/8 hours. So time spent on yoga in 1 week is 35/8 hours, and change into mixed fraction. 8 4s are 32, 3. So 4 3/8 hours he spent on yoga in 1 week. Yes, children, until now we have learnt multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Now we shall multiply a fraction with another fraction. Multiplication of fraction by another fraction. Product of two fractions is equal to product of numerators by product of denominators. Now, for example, take two fractions 2/3 and 4/6. Let us multiply them. 2/3 into 4/6. So multiply numerators. 2 into 4 by 3 into 6. Now we can directly multiply or we can cancel even. 2 into 4 by 3 into 6. 2 1s are, 2 3s are. And these cannot be cancelled. So 1 into 4 is 4. 3 into 3. 1 into 4 by 3 into 3, that is 4 by 9. It is a proper fraction, so it is the final answer. Now take the fractions 6 by 14 into 12 by 9. So 6 into 12 by 14 into 9. Multiply numerators and denominators. Now let us cancel. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. And now we shall go with this and this. 3 ones are 3 fours are 12, cancel. Now leftover numbers are 4 and 14 here. So 2 twos are 2 sevens are. So the final answer is, what are the leftover numbers here? 2 into 2 by 7 into 1, that is 4 by 7. It is the final answer. It is the proper fraction. Remember that if the result is an improper fraction, you have to change it into a mixed fraction. And if two mixed fractions are given, you have to convert them into mixed fractions and then multiply. Here, let us find the product of some fractions now. 5 by 12 of 1 by 6. Of means always multiplication. 5 by 12 into 1 by 6. So multiply the numerators. 5 into 1 by 12 into 6. 5 ones are 5. 12 6 are 72. It is a proper fraction and it is the final answer. Now 4 by 9 of 72. For half means multiplication, I already told you. 4 by 9 into 72. These two can be cancelled, or 4 into 72 by 9, you can write like this, or you can cancel. 9 ones are 9 eights are. 4 into 8, 32 is the final answer. Next, 6 by 14 by 5 by 15. Multiply 6 by 14 by 5 by 15. 6 by 14 into 5 by 15. 6 into 5 by 14 into 15. Take these two fractions now. 5 ones are, 5 threes are. Now take these two. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. 6 and 3 now. And now the leftover is 14 is left over here. Cancel with these two. 2 ones are, 2 sevens are. So the final answer is 1 into 1 by 7 into 1, that is equal to 1 by 7. 1 by 7 is the final answer. Now take another problem which are mixed fractions. When you need to multiply a mixed fraction, first change them into improper fractions. 1 by 4 of 2 1 by 6. 1 by 4. 4 into 1 plus 1 by 4. 4 ones are 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. 6 into 2 plus 1. 6 into 2 plus 1 by 6. 6 twos are 12 plus 1, 13 by 6. Now 5 by 4 into 13 by 6. 5 into 13 by 4 into 6, that is 65. 13 5s are 65, 4 6 are 24. Now change this into mixed fraction. (65 by 24), change it into mixed fraction. 24 twos are 48. 17 is the remainder. So the final answer is 217 by 24. Now change this 65 by 24 into mixed fraction. 24 twos are 48. 65 minus 48 is 17, and write it in a mixed fraction. 217 by 24 is the mixed fraction. Now I'll explain you once again this. 1 by 4 of 2 1 by 6. 1 by 4 is equal to 4 into 1 plus 1 by 4, that is 5 by 4. Mixed fraction is changed into improper fraction. 2 1 by 6. 6 into 2 plus 1. 6 twos are 12 plus 1, 13 by 6. Next 5 by, now the 1 by 4 is equal to 5 by 4. 2 1 by 6 is equal to 13 by 6. Now multiply these two fractions. 5 by 4 into 13 by 6, that is equal to 5 into 13 by 4 into 6, 65 by 24. If we have changed it into mixed fraction. Now 1 by 4 into 2 1 by 6 equals 217 by 24. This is the final answer. So many exercises are given in the page numbers 70. You can complete them. Thank you.